Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Ohio State University portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Buckeye Link Login. That is Buckeye Link Login, and then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying Buckeye Link and then hit Sign In, which you'll have to enter your Ohio State University username along with your password to log in to your account. If you're logging in for the first time, then you can head over to your search bar and then type in OSU ID activation and then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first option. Here you'll have to tap on I need an activation code, and then you'll have to enter your Ohio State University ID along with your legal first name, your legal last name, and your date of birth. Hit next and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account, after which you'll be able to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.